north central Washington and southeastern Garland counties is canceled. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Prairie County and Central Arkansas, Southern Lone Oak County and Central Arkansas, Northeastern Grant County and Central Arkansas, Jefferson County and Southeastern Arkansas, Southeastern Saline County and Central Arkansas, Southeastern Pulaski County and Central Arkansas, Northwestern Arkansas County and Southeastern Arkansas until 11:45 p.m. At 11:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Pine Bluff Arsenal, or 11 miles east of Sheridan, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pine Bluff, Stuttgart, Whitehall, England, Wrightsville, Redfield, Alfheimer, Humphrey, Humnoke, Almira, Keogh, Estes, Orion, Stuttgart Municipal Airport, Hensley Island, Brummett, Pine Bluff Arsenal, Parker's Corner, Matting, Warburton. Tornado watch number 563 remains in effect until 4 a.m. Saturday for the following counties: in Arkansas, Jefferson, Lone Oak, Prairie, and White. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Faulkner County in central Arkansas, Southwestern White County in central Arkansas, East Central Saline County in central Arkansas, Pulaski County in central National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a tornado warning for West Central Lone Oak County and Central Arkansas, East Central Saline County and Central Arkansas, Southeastern Pulaski County and Central Arkansas until 11:45 p.m. At 11:08 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over East End, or 8 miles east of Bryant, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar-confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Little Rock, North Little Rock, Sherwood, Jacksonville, Downtown Little Rock, Wrightsville, Ironton, Estes, Toltec Mount State Park, East End, Provo Junction, Sweet Home, McAlmont, Scott, Baseline, Bocum, Higgins, College Station, Quapaw Quarter, Parker's Iron Springs. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has